We're hiking on top of the Cedar Mesa, a 400 square mile high plateau marked by deep sandstone canyons and high desert meadows. We've got rough GPS coordinates, but spotting cliff dwellings is tough.
This is great though. You're not just looking for a mountain peak or, a geographical feature. You're looking for signs of life from thousands of years ago. That is so truly special and unique.
I love it. This is exploration at its finest.
Archaeologists believe it was likely ancestral Puebloans who used the site we're looking for. We're also on the lookout for any wildlife those people would have considered essential to survival, like these guys.
So Colton spotted a little bit of movement up ahead of us, and we now know that these are desert bighorn sheep.
Desert bighorns always travel in herds. You'll generally find them near canyons and gulches, places where it's difficult for predators to follow them.
One thing about these guys that's so cool is they can retain water for up to 5 days, which is how they survive in a harsh environment like this.
Local tribes relied on the desert bighorn for food and clothing, while their bones were fashioned into tools.
The native people revered the bighorn sheep. In fact, they would actually draw them on the walls of the cliffs and caves out here.
We've been hiking over an hour, and the fact we haven't found the canyon yet has me nervous.
It should be about 1/10 of a mile this way.
Okay.
Oh, no way.
Well, we definitely found the canyon.
Oh, man.
Multiple rivers carved this massive canyon out of the same Cedar Mesa sandstone we've been hiking on.
Yeah, there's no way to get down there, at least right here. Not a chance.
The ruins should be nestled somewhere in these canyon walls. The trick now is figuring out where they are, how far down we'll have to go to find them, and still be able to climb back out.
We know that there's a way into this canyon, but this is turning out to be much more difficult than I anticipated.
And with sheer drops of 300 to 400 feet, every step counts.
Careful here, this is steep. All right, so we have dropped into the canyon now, and we're in scan mode, looking for anything that pops out on the cliffside that could possibly be these ruins.
I'm also right now making sure that we know exactly what route we took to get down here so we can get back up. Dude, there they are. There are the ruins.
Yes!
Oh my gosh.
Oh, man.
That is so cool.
The dwellings are well camouflaged and blend into the surrounding sandstone.
They're built into like a natural alcove, so it's providing a roof over their heads, and all they need is to put up the walls to really fortify that shelter.
You can see the watermarks from here coming down the canyon walls, and that would go right over that dwelling without getting anything wet. Seriously, think about that. That may be 3,000 plus years old, and it's still standing, pretty strong looking too.
Archaeologists believe ancient peoples used these dwellings to get away and relax, or sometimes to escape their enemies.
And that shows the importance of this park right there. It's preserving these things. It's leaving them untouched for other people to come and find. I feel like I'm the first person to ever discover this because they are so untouched and so hidden.
I mean, it's a living museum, and it's huge. It's 1.3 million acres that you can walk through and be a part of, and that is truly something special.
That living museum extends from the high desert plateau all the way to a stunning valley few people ever see, the Valley of the Gods.
Man, oh man.
Oh my gosh. A second ago, we just came around this curve, and now we are staring down about 500 or more feet at the Valley of the Gods, and you can see the spires and pinnacles and buttes that are off in the distance.
Over millions of years, wind, snow, and rain carved these epic rock formations out of the same Cedar Mesa sandstone we were hiking on this morning.
One of the reasons why Bears Ears is such a large national monument is because different parts of the park mean something different to a different Native American tribe. So Valley of the Gods is seen as a sacred spot to the Navajo, who believe that the spires are Navajo warriors frozen in time.
Tonight, we're lucky enough to be sharing the valley with those ancient warriors, setting up camp on public land just off the Valley of the Gods road.
Oh man, now this is a campsite.
This'll do just fine.
Wow.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave any questions or comments that you have.
And please subscribe to the channel, there's a lot more to come.